Hello everyone. If you frequently take photos at the gym and find the background look dull or uninspiring, you can easily enhance them into a dark cinematic tone using a specific prompt. Please follow this step-by-step guide to achieve the full result. First, open the ChatGPT app. Tap the plus icon and navigate to your gallery to upload the desired photo. Once the image is uploaded, you will need to input the designated prompt. Here is an important technical note. If your photo is a mirror selfie, you should include the phrase "clean the mirror" in your instruction. However, if it is a standard photo, you can omit that line. Ensure that the core prompt includes: enhance the picture quality to 8K, make the background dark and cinematic, and critically specify, without changing the face and body shape, to preserve your authentic proportions. I will demonstrate where to copy this prompt later in the video. After entering the text, tap the arrow to begin processing. Once the AI completes the generation, you will notice the enhanced resolution and the precisely darkened background. Simply select the image and save it to your device. The complete prompt is available for you to copy in the video description below. Please feel free to leave your questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.